A blank rewards page in Mistplay is usually caused by a loading or synchronization problem, not by lost rewards. If the app can't retrieve the latest information from the server, the page may appear completely empty. By the end of this video, you'll know how to refresh the rewards page, rule out common connection problems, and decide when to contact Mistplay support. Start by closing Mistplay completely instead of simply switching to another app. Reopen it and wait a few moments for the account to synchronize. If the rewards page failed to load because of a temporary sync issue, your available rewards may appear after the app finishes connecting. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the rewards page. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from loading available gift cards and redemption options, even if the rest of the app appears to work normally. If the page is still blank, make sure you're signed into the correct Mistplay account. If you've recently changed devices or signed out and back in, verify that you're using the same account where your points and rewards are stored. Looking at the wrong account can make it seem like everything has disappeared. Now check for app updates in the Google Play Store. Running an outdated version of Mistplay can sometimes lead to loading problems if the app is no longer communicating correctly with current services. Install any available update, reopen the app, and check the rewards page again. If updating doesn't help, restart your Android device. A restart clears temporary processes that may interfere with app performance and gives Mistplay a fresh connection when it launches again. If the rewards page remains blank after all of these steps, gather information before contacting support. Take screenshots showing the empty rewards page, note your device model, and include your Mistplay account email. Explain when the problem started and mention the troubleshooting steps you've already completed. That gives the support team the details they need without asking you to repeat basic checks. Avoid uninstalling the app immediately unless Mistplay support specifically recommends it. A blank rewards page is often related to loading or account synchronization, and reinstalling the app doesn't necessarily resolve those issues. Here's the quick recap. Restart Mistplay. Check your internet connection, confirm you're using the correct account, install any available updates, and contact Mistplay support with screenshots if the rewards page is still blank. If this guide helped, subscribe for more quick Mistplay fixes and straightforward app troubleshooting tutorials.